everyone. Today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color name. So let's start. A, B, C,
A B C D E F G
D,
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W
E,
X Y and Z. Now I know
F,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
G,
A B
H,
C D E F G H
I,
I J K L M N O P Q
J,
R S T U V
K,
W X Y and Z. Now I
L,
know my ABCs.
M,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
N, O, P, Q,
A B C D E F G H
R,
I J K L M N O P Q
S,
R S T U V W
T,
X Y and Z. Now
U,
I know my ABCs.
V,
Next time, won't you sing with
W,
me?
X, Y, Z.
A B C D E F G H
Red
I
color.
J K L M N O P Q R S T
A,
U V
A for apple.
W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
B,
me?
B for ball. C, C for cat. Yellow color. D, D for dog. E, E for elephant. F, F for frog.
A B C D E F G
Orange color.
H I J K L M N O P Q R
G,
S
G for
T U V
grapes.
W X Y and Z. Now I know my
H, H for horse.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I for ice cream. Black color. J, J for joker. K, K for kite. L, L for lion. Dark green color. M, M for mango. N, N for nose. O, O for onion. Red color. P, P for pencil. Q, Q for queen.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O
R,
P
R for
Q R
rabbit.
S T
Yellow
U
color.
V W X Y and Z. Now I know my
S,
ABCs.
S for sun.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
T, T for tiger. U, U for umbrella. Orange color. V, V for volcano. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Red color.
Now I know my
Y. Y
ABCs.
for
Next
yo-yo.
time, won't you sing with me?
Z. Z for zebra. Black color. Sky blue color. Gray color. Purple color. Orange color. Brown color. Pink color. White color. Yellow color. Blue color. Light green color. Peach pink color. Dark green color. Red color. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for banana. Light green color. C for cat. Orange color. D for dog. Yellow color. E for earth. Red color. F for frog. Sky blue color. G for goat. Light green color. H for horse. Orange color. I for island. Yellow color. J for joker. Red color. K for kangaroo. Sky blue color. L for lion. Light green color. M for monkey. Orange color. N for nest. Yellow color. O for octopus. Red color. P for pen. Sky blue color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rabbit. Orange color. S for sunflower. Yellow color. T for tiger. Red color. U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V for fan. Light green color. W for watch. Orange color. X for xylophone. Yellow color. Y for yak. Red color. Z for zebra. Number. Sky blue color. Number 1. Light green color. Number 2. Orange color. 3. Yellow color. 4. red color. 5. Sky blue color. 6. Light green color. 7. Orange color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Red color. 10. Let's learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.